Welcome to Blitreviews. Let's get it.
Yeah, boy.
We got another package in the mail from Nike. Let's see what we got here. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? Let's see. Dun 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 dun. You know, I got Jordan Low yesterday, so maybe it's not a Jordan Low, maybe it's a mid, maybe it's high. Let's find out. Have your receipt. Put that to the side. On another note, Nike is offsetting 100% of the emissions, which is good. Go Nike. Uh-oh, guys. You see it. You see it. You see it. You know what this is. You know this is the Jordan 1 High box. Box reads size 11. I would up a half size on my Jordan 1s, by the way, guys, because they were a little tight, so that's that. Size 11, Air Jordan 1 High OG Defiant. Color is black, tor yellow / white. Let's get into it. Taking off the top, we have our standard Nike box with our quality control. Actually, I don't see no quality control stamp on this. Just the swoosh and the Nike. Set that to the side. Put with my other 150 boxes I got outside to throw away. Open up, we have this white, regular tissue paper, I like to call it. I love the deconstruction on these, guys. Oh yeah, those are just so sick. So let's pull them out. Let's get right into it. Jumping into these bad boys. You have the right one here. We're going to do a slow 360 and we're going to jump into these. These are almost like the bloodlines I got. I love the bloodlines. They were slept on, but I think the leather on those bloodlines are just dope. The leather on this is actually good as well. All right, so jumping into this, we have on the left, we have 3 sets of shoestrings. We have the yellow, the red with the black in there. We have the black outer, the white midsole, and on the upper we have the white with the black leather. And this is a tumble leather. It's a really soft leather. It has the red stitching all the way around. Now on the left one we have the yellow swoosh. We have the Nike Air. This is not a leather. This is like a, I don't know. It's a leather tongue actually, but it's a different kind of material for the actual tab right here. The wings have the red stitching around the outside, the Jordan wings. The white toe box with the black around it with the red trim. The red trim goes all throughout the shoe. Has the white on the back of the upper up there, the heel. Now on the right one, you don't have the yellow. Here's the inside. You have this distressed swoosh on all of them except for the left inside. So you have this distressed look about it. So you have the red stitching sick throughout it, man. And you have the black with the red around the wings up top there. And like I said, this distressed stitching right there. And like I said, leather tongues with the Nike Air on the tag. And on the inside, you have the yellow insert with the Nike Air. Now this one also is yellow on the inside with the Nike Air. Yeah, only got 3 sets of laces. I think the yellow ones will be sick with this, man. The yellow laces will be popping with these, man. But listen, I got these at a super deal. I think on that 25% off the other day when Nike dropped it, I had to snatch these up. So there's your left one. There's your right one. I love the way this leather feels, this tumble leather. And I love that distressed look. So what do you guys think about them? A lot of you guys probably already have this in your collection. If not, I recommend getting them. They look like the bloodlines besides the yellow swoosh on the inside and the distressed string coming around. The laces go hard in the paint with that, man. So this is my cop for today. Yesterday I got the Jordan lows. I got another box coming today. It's a grail. Guys, I got some really dope grails on the way. Stay tuned. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. I'm on my way to 1K. You guys been rocking with me, and I appreciate every one of you. Until next time, guys, stay woke, stay lit, and let's get it.